I used AI and only AI to plan my recent day trip. In fact, to see how good it is, I committed to doing exactly what was recommended by this new AI travel tool. Let's see how that went. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I promise practical advice to build your brand. Today I'm in Oslo, Norway, and we are going to go on a little trip together with the help of AI. I'm a fan of cool and innovative AI tools. I find myself preferring specific AI tools versus more general platforms like ChatGPT. I love when companies take the technology that ChatGPT is built on, but give it a specific use. TripPlanner.ai has done exactly that. They're not sponsoring this video. I'm just testing it out to see how it goes. Let's see how good it actually is. Let's find out. This is what the website looks like when you land here. So what you want to do is you want to enter the city of where it is you want to go. Note at this time recording this video, they only handle cities. So hopefully that's where you want to go. I'm going to select Oslo, Norway. I want this trip to start on Saturday, and I want it to be for 1 day, just for this example. Let's see what happens. I'll click Create Plan. So it's going to bring me to the next step where I can add flights and hotels. In this particular case, I'm already here, so I don't need that, but I love these options to add your itinerary. Now let's get to business. This will be for 2 people. I'm going to leave our budget at $100 per day. And here I want, if I'm a pro user, I can get really granular and specific on what I actually want, including meals and diets. Obviously, what I'm seeing right now is available as a free user, so I'll take a second to upgrade so you can see that in action. Okay, now we've got a pro plan. Let's take a look through again now at some more settings. I can up this to more if I want. Leave this at 2 people. I want to focus a little more on outdoor activities since the weather is so nice. I also do like art and culture. Historical, a little less, and there are no kids on this trip, so I'm leaving that at 0. I'm going to select lunch. That's perfect for this Saturday. We'll go ahead and hit generate and see what comes up. Wow, here we go. That only took a few seconds. Let's have a look at our itinerary. Okay, it's a full day. 9 a.m. we're going to stop by the Viking Ship Museum. 11 a.m. we're going to go to this fortress thing. Not sure what this is, but we'll discover what it is. Next, we'll go to Mama Pizza. Not really sure I want to go to Mama Pizza, but I'm going to try it. 2:30 to the Royal Palace. 4 p.m. to this park that I don't know how to pronounce. And 6 p.m. to a ski museum. Okay, I'm not actually sure if that's going to happen, but we're going to see what we can do. 6 p.m. to a museum sounds a bit strange. Although the days are very long here in the summer with sunlight, so maybe this is possible. By the way, before we begin, I do love this option to export to Cal, so you can see my calendar for this day filled with all of the places I have to go based on what this app is telling me. I like that feature because it includes addresses or coordinates in this case to get to where I need to go. So let's go there. The journey begins to get to our first destination, the Viking History Museum. We're going to take public transportation, which is, by the way, incredible in Oslo. In fact, we're going to use it all day because it's really easy to navigate and it's inexpensive for a month's pass. That's about the only thing that's reasonably priced in Oslo, by the way. To the Viking Museum we go. Actually, wait a second. Change of plans as we discover our first fault in AI, a lack of updated information. I'd love to visit this Viking Museum, but it is closed, and it will be closed until 2026. Not ideal. I'm glad I noticed before I actually arrived. So first realization, we can't rely solely on AI, but it's not half bad if used purely for research paired with your own human effort. While I'm at it, I double-checked all of today's agenda items, and the Viking Museum isn't the only closure. The ski museum, slated for the end of the day, is also, you guessed it, closed. Yikes, AI. This information isn't incredibly obvious on their website, but still. Well, I guess on to the next place. This place was free, assuming it means that we walk around the grounds to catch the beautiful views of Oslo. We had perfect weather, which helped, and a nice coffee, because honestly, I'm not much of a sightseer to begin with, so that was my motivation. Beautiful old architecture, picturesque views from inside. We actually paid the $10 for a tour of inside the fortress, which was really neat to see. An audio guide explained the artifacts, lots of history here, centuries-old art, furniture, decor. I really enjoyed this, even though I'm not actually much of a history buff. Actually, I enjoyed it more than I anticipated. Well, that was a nice little tour. Didn't think I was going to find that fun, but I actually really enjoyed it. Maybe even you can sense the hangry setting in. It's time for lunch. Yep, I'm happy again. Next up, Mama Pizza. I didn't really expect to eat pizza in Norway, but let's see how it goes. Guys, this was delightful. Lots of great options. We didn't need a reservation. The food came out quickly, and damn, it looked good and it tasted even better. By the way, don't judge me for eating pizza with a fork and knife because it was very thin crust, but I absolutely loved it. Really good. Big portions, so I have some leftovers, but I absolutely enjoyed it. The app was right. The palace was next, an enjoyable walk up the hill to the base of it. What made this even better, the time AI recommended we arrive ensured we saw changing of the guard. So there was more to look at than just a beautiful building. It was fun to watch. For something I thought might be kind of boring, wasn't. Well done, AI. Next, Frogner Park in. Stop, I know you're impressed by my Norwegian. This is a big park, and fun fact, the biggest park in the world with sculptures all designed by the same artist. Well, I think everyone else had the idea to be outside today. Lots of people are out, tanning, enjoying the weather. I specified I liked outdoors, so it got that right. I've got to give it to Norway. They know how to enjoy the weather outside when it's nice, because I know for much of the year it is not this beautiful. People grilling, playing ball, filming a TikTok, I don't know, laying, enjoying. It was great to see and be a part of. And this big erect thing is a famous statue made from the same kind of human sculptures you'll spot around the park, and this one actually carved from a single rock. Can you imagine? Really beautiful. Same type of sculptures carried over the bridge. You know what? I give this park a 10 out of 10. Well done. So that's TripPlanner.ai in action. Again, not sponsoring this video. I just thought it would be fun to give this a try, talking a lot more about AI tools on my channel nowadays. Today is no exception. I have to say, this went pretty well. I'm generally impressed with this platform. Have you tried it yet? Are you planning to? What other AI tools are you using and impressed with? Let me know in the comments below. If you've got any other lingering questions, put them down there. Let's keep the conversation going. I respond to those personally. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm sharing a few videos I think you'll be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching. Those are coming up next.